Namaste everyone. Bharti Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. With today's Yoga Sutra 1.23, Maharishi Patanjali now opens a divine doorway. After explaining the graded path through intensity, Tivra Samveg, in Sutra 1.21 and 1.22, he now tells us that devotion and surrender to Ishvara, the Supreme Consciousness, can also lead directly to Samadhi. This sutra is both luminous and gentle. It brings bhakti into the heart of yoga philosophy. The sutra is Ishwar Pranidhanatva. The meaning is, or by surrender to Ishvara, the Supreme Being, Samadhi is attained. After describing practice, abhyas, and detachment, vairagya, as the two primary means to still the mind, Maharishi Patanjali now introduces a third, surrender or pranidhan. Here, Ishvara means the Supreme Self, pure consciousness, untouched by the fluctuations of the mind, karma, sufferings, etc. Ishwar is not a personality or form-bound deity, but the ever-free consciousness that pervades all existence. Pranidhana means deep devotion or complete trust and heartfelt surrender. It is the offering of one's actions, ego, and their fruits to the divine will. Together, Ishwar Pranidhan means conscious surrender of the individual will to the universal will. The small word here, va, means or, indicating this is another valid path to samadhi. While one path is through disciplined effort and detachment, another is through devotion and surrender, where grace takes over what effort alone cannot complete. Imagine a river flowing through the ocean. One way to reach the ocean is to swim with determination, that is abhyas. Another way is to just allow the current to carry. This is pranidhan. Both reach the ocean, but the second way happens effortlessly through trust. In the same way, when one's heart surrenders fully to the divine, the journey becomes natural and supported by grace. This sutra brings bhakti, devotion, into the heart of yoga. It reminds us that yoga is not achieved by effort alone. When we surrender with love and trust, the ego relaxes and the divine energy begins to act through us. This surrender is not passive. It is an alert openness to the something higher. Ishwar Pranidhan transforms discipline into devotion and effort into grace. It is the inner posture where everything we do becomes an offering to the divine presence. From philosophical angle, in the language of Sankhya Yoga, Ishvara represents the ever-liberated Purusha. By meditating on or surrendering to Ishvara, the seeker aligns with that supreme consciousness. This alignment gradually dissolves ignorance and the mind becomes tranquil. Maharishi Patanjali will soon describe the nature of Purusha or nature of Ishvara in the following sutras. But here he simply offers this as an alternate and deeply personal path. Personal reflection for you. What does surrender mean to me? Helplessness or inner strength? Can I act wholeheartedly while letting go of ownership of results? When challenges arise, can I remember that I am supported by higher intelligence? So, the essence of Sutra 1.23 is through sincere surrender and devotion to Ishvara, the highest state of yoga is attained, not by effort alone, but through grace. When the heart bows in surrender, the mind becomes still and the divine reveals itself. So, this was about Sutra 1.23. We will meet in our next episode with next Sutra. Namaste.